Well, check this out. These are 24 kilowatt inverters, 8 kilowatt each, and Mojave Mojave inverter made by Outback Power. And I've given you guys a review on the first one, and this gonna make a very good power for JW Solar USA. So I just want to show you guys, and this is what we're gonna be dealing with here. And I was waiting for these two. These two just came. So it's kind of cold outside. It's about 8 degrees outside. And bringing these things in here with R&L transport it's not a easy thing. This I think is 180 pounds each. So guys, this is what it is, and I just want to show you a whole bunch of goodies that we have here, and we're gonna try and put it together. And I don't know what I'm gonna do yet, if I'm gonna do a 3-phase, I'm gonna do just stacking them, just gonna be in parallel. Okay, but guys, you know exactly where this device is heading for, and well, we're gonna set them up, and it's just see what it is. It has a robust, as you can see it inside, right there, and all inside padded, loaded, potted, or whatever. And these are all the wires. These are all set and revised since 2023. These units are new and all label. It says for battery right here. You know, I can't believe this for the just for the battery. See that? Yeah, I think it's kind of 6/0 gauge wire. Yeah, it says batteries. Oh, this is a PV. See that? It says PV. Right there. Sorry, this is a CC1, like a charge controller. 1 PV. So, there goes the other one. This pack said is a revised 2022. Okay. There's another one here. So I told him just to send me all components that are necessary. Extra ones or whatever you feel like getting rid of. And I was like, okay, I'll take them all. So guys, this is what it is. Live here at the command center of the JW Solar USA. This is Mojave from Outback charge control inverter chargers hybrid. Yeah. Stay tuned for more to come live from the channel. Love you guys all. From the command center of the JW Solar USA. Thanks for watching. Make sure you hype, like, subscribe, and share. You know how to use the hype, right? And don't forget to click the little bell for notification for more videos coming your way from the channel here in Minnesota. Bye for now.